Yep, did it right. Yeah. Come on. Yes. Got it. Yes. Yes. Alright. Come on, get it. Yes.
There you go. Just breathe. Here we're at. Go left on you. Yeah, go as left as you can. Don't take this left. I have too. Every time I usually see something do it, they go left. I was like, yeah. ¡No! ¡Un minuto!
Good job.
I love Yosemite.
Nice, finally. Oh. What's today, the 5th? November 5th? Just breathe, you're fine. Nice job. That was first try. That's the first time you got to the mantle.
Yeah.
And you did it. You got balls. Yeah, then you just want to traverse all the way left and go up over the tree. Okay. Just relax though, you're fine. You don't have a pad, so if you fall you're gonna get hurt. So just don't fall. I'm so happy for him. He's been trying this for so long. Every time we come here, that's all he wants to do is try it. So he's very happy. Yeah, just go. Yeah, just figure it out. Watch the pine needles. Yeah. Omedetou! Oh, he's so happy. That's why we came this morning to do it. And I said, don't get too cocky, because I've gotten cocky and said I'm going to do it today, and then you get shut down.
Yeah.
You gonna go down the tree?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I walked down the slab and it was okay, but it's up to you.
I think you're about to slide down right now.
Yeah. I'm like shaking, I'm so nervous for him. Okay. I know, first time up there, yeah. And he was already having trouble, so like, he was kind of struggling a little bit, but he still did it. That was awesome. I'm so happy for him. I'm so happy for you. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we can go do the swing. Have you heard of the alcove swing?
What?
The alcove swing? Have you heard of it? Do you do any like rope climbing or any big wall? Yeah. I mean, this thing's like it's on El Cap. You walk up to the base of El Cap and you turn right.
Yeah.
And it's up in this alcove, and it's a rope that's already attached. It's like pretty safe.
Okay.
And you just hook in your harness, and then you run out, and you just swing out. You're like 200 feet above the trees. And you go out all the way, and then you come back in, and it's a lot of fun. We're gonna go do that today.
Yeah, not a cold spring. I didn't get to try it last time I came.
Yeah, he didn't get to do it because. Hey, watch that branch. Your yellow shirt blends in so nicely.
A little. Okay. Good job, man.
Omedetou, good job. Thank you. Oh, I'm so happy for you. That was your first time to the mantle. That's incredible. You just did it. That is nuts.
I trust you guys. So.
Yeah. No, you had good spot, good pads.
Yeah.
So.
Great. That's super nice.
Hey,
Birthday for leaving here. Yeah.